why you have to submit. Because you are extending the process. You are extending your pain. God can teach a 10-year lesson in 1 year. But you can take a 1-year lesson and make it last for 10 years as long as you keep resisting. Some of the stuff we're going through was only meant to come and leave. It was never meant to stay. It was a lesson that was meant to come in your life and leave again. But you're resisting, and I don't want this, I don't want to do what God. Now you've been in the same hole for 2 years. The hole you could have got out of after 2 weeks that you just said, okay, God, it must be something you want me to learn. Yeah. Okay, God, this is something you're trying to get out of me. You breaking me, you breaking me, you breaking me, you break. I receive the breaking, break it, break it. You so busy resisting what was meant to be a week than a year. What was meant to be a month of discomfort is turned into 2 years.